loves, and welcome back to my channel. So I guess you're fed up with your curls being dry, frizzy, and undefined. Well girl, look no further. I'm here to help you and show you how I took this big old frizz ball and transformed it to beautiful bouncy curls. I'm going to take you on the process on how it looks when it's wet, how it looks while it's drying, and then finally when it's fully dried. So please keep on watching. To shampoo my hair, I use these two Cantu products. So the first one I like to go in with is the sulfate-free cleansing cream shampoo. And when I'm not using that, I go in with the co-wash. And a co-wash is basically going to clean your hair without stripping all the natural oils from your scalp. And I switch off between the two using the shampoo one week and the co-wash the next. For conditioner, I use my Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner with avocado, and it smells bomb.com. And once a week, I do go in with my Shea Moisture Deep treatment mask, and this is just amazing. You have to try it. So now that my hair is freshly washed, I'm going to take a hair tie that looks like this. I have no idea what's it called, but you can find it at like the dollar store or any local drugstore. And I'm splitting my hair into sections, and I am starting off with the small section and just putting the rest up in a bun. I'm just splitting the section into two and bringing it forward. Now for my leave-in, I like to go in with my Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, and I really like this because it leaves my hair moisturized and it doesn't feel weighed down. So I apply my product from root to end. It's really important that you get all of your hair. You don't want to miss anything. That's why I do section it so I get every little strand. So I'm just applying that. Now I'm going in with my Cantu Define and Shine Custard. It has this type of a jelly watery consistency, and I really like that because it's not heavy on my hair and it's really lightweight. So again, I'm just applying the products from root to end, just making sure I get everything. I'm now taking my Denman brush, and you guys, this brush has been a huge game changer for me. It truly defines my curls and it minimizes the frizz a lot. So you want to make sure you start off on your ends, and then I just brush it a couple times, and then I do a nice little shake to move the curls around. And I'm brushing my hair out at an angle rather than flat down, so that way when it dries it has more volume. And as you can see, the brush is really clumping the curls, and that's what you want because that's going to make the curls all unified and together. And you want to make sure you're brushing at the root. You do not want to miss the roots, girl. Let me tell you, because when it dries it will not look nice. So before you bring down a new section of hair, you want to make sure you bring your hair forward, so that way when you put your hair down it doesn't mix with the hair you haven't done yet. I just put the other section that I previously worked on back and then move my new section forward. And I do have a water bottle next to me in cases like this, so you can see the ends were a little dry, and it's really important that your hair is damp before you apply your products, because if not, your products aren't going to work. They're not going to seep through and really do their job. I'm just going to be repeating the same process using the same products that I just showed you, and to me this is really satisfying to watch. So now I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys enjoy the process.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad. Y más me convierta en rayos y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad y más seremos miles, crecemos en número, en solo un trueno de horizontes, seremos miles, más y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que me convierta en...
So after brushing my hair, you could tell in the front how it was a little flat. So what I like to do, I'll just pick at my curls, so that way when it dries, it has more volume and the curls are more bouncy. And here my split was too long, so I was just fixing it with the Denman brush. And now I'm just going to go in with my Eco Styler gel and lay down my baby hairs. I'm using this edge brush I got from Amazon. I'm sorry, I know it's really crusty. I need to get a new one. I know you can get it at like the dollar store, but it's okay. Sometimes I feel like when it's a little crusty, it works better. So now I'm just doing 3 little swoops on either side for the finishing touch. So now I'm just taking a little bit more of that Eco Styler gel and applying it all throughout my ends, kind of like a sealer to seal everything in. So now I'm just showing you guys how the curls look when wet, and now we wait. At this point my hair was about 70% dry, but as you can see my hair was pretty clumped together, and I wanted to show you guys how that looked and then how I separate my curls also. Normally for this part I would use oil, but sometimes I don't. So when you separate your curls, you just want to make sure you start at the end. You don't want to start on the root because that will cause knots. And remember, when separating your curls, make sure they're dry, because if not, that'll cause frizz. So I just showed you guys a couple, but this is what I did when my hair was completely dry. This is how my hair looked in the back when it was still damp and still had some clumps in it. And then this is how my hair looks 100% dry with all the clumps out. So it looks really full, really nice, really curly, and I just love it so much. And as y'all can see, there's a little to no frizz, just how I like it, and the curls are really nice and defined and bouncy and soft. I just really have been loving this curly hair routine, so you guys definitely try it out, especially if you guys have a thick curly hair. Trust me, you won't regret it. Please let me know if you guys would like to see any more curly hair related videos or any tips and tricks that I have for curly hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!